This is Clint Neal.
Hello, my name is Shane Neal. We're with the Neal and Neal team at Keller Williams Realty here in San Antonio and the surrounding areas.
Appreciate y'all tuning in. We're going to talk about today what a home inspector looks for when they're doing an inspection.
So going into some topics, a home inspection is ordered by a buyer if they choose to get one. This is a third-party company or third-party individual that is a licensed inspector. When they come out to the property, they're doing a visual inspection of the property. So when you think about that, if they're looking at the roof, they're going to be looking for, do they see evidence of leaks? Do they see missing shingles? Do they just see damage from hail? Stuff like that. So they're visually inspecting the entire exterior of the property, which then encompasses gutters, just really everything that they visually can see. Secondly, they'll look at the main structure as well. So is there any cracks with the foundation? Is there anything that gives them some sort of knowledge that there could be some shifting moving around with the property? When they do that and they feel that there could be something going on, well, they're going to advise to get an expert opinion to further evaluate that potential finding that they have.
For sure. In the last stuff they look at, and on the interior, obviously they're looking at the plumbing. Are they looking for previous leak, active leaks? They're looking at the HVAC system. Again, they're just testing all of this stuff to make sure it's in good working order. If it's not, that's when they advise, hey, it'd be great to get a HVAC company, for example, to come out and make sure everything's good or needs to be repaired. So those are the high level stuff. Again, this is a third party individual that comes out to the property, visually looking at a lot of different stuff and making recommendations based on that. So if y'all have any questions about this stuff or any in depth, for sure, let us know. Our information's at the bottom. So if you're looking at buying a property, be happy to help. Same thing goes on the selling side. Feel free to shoot us an email, give us a call, be happy to help.
Have a great day.
Hi, my name is Josh Martinez with Homeward Mortgage here in San Antonio, and I'm a mortgage partner with the Neal and Neal team. My team and I are a full-service mortgage provider that can help anybody that's looking to buy, build, or refinance, not just in the San Antonio market, but across the entire state of Texas. Some of the very unique things about Homeward Mortgage is that we offer some very unique programs that most of your traditional mortgage companies and or banks don't offer. What I mean by that is we can take a traditional financed buyer and actually turn them into a full cash buyer, whereby it allows them to remove all contingencies, and not just that, but make them an even more competitive buyer in this current market. That obviously means more competitive offers and that leverage is on your side. We also offer some very unique products that can help assist when you're looking to not just buy a home, but also having to sell a home. So if you yourself are looking to buy a home in the very near future, or know somebody who's looking to buy in the very near future, we'd love to connect with you, talk a little bit more about our programs, and walk you through the next steps. Again, my name is Josh Martinez. It's the Martinez team at Homeward Mortgage.